Most people think learning AI is about writing better prompts. But that idea is completely wrong. AI skill is not about prompts. It is about levels. There are 3 levels of AI users, and most people never leave the first one. Level 1 is the random user. This is where almost everyone starts. You open ChatGPT. You type something quickly. You get an answer. Then you try again. Different prompt. Different result. Sometimes it works. Sometimes it doesn't. So you keep experimenting. This feels productive. But it is not. It is randomness. Level 2 is the structured user. This is where things start to change. Instead of random prompts, you define context first. You define the goal. You define the format of the output. Now the AI is not guessing anymore. It is executing instructions. Results become more consistent. But there is still a higher level. Level 3 is the operator. This is where the real power begins. Operators do not just ask questions. They build systems. They create workflows. They connect tools. They reuse frameworks. At this level, AI stops being a chatbot. It becomes leverage. The difference between level 1 and level 3 is not intelligence. It is structure. Most people experiment with AI. A few people operate AI. And those few people are the ones multiplying their productivity. AI does not reward curiosity. It rewards systems. Once you understand this,